Hey, what's up gearheads? Today we're diving into something that can really mess up your engine if you ignore it. Bad timing, chain symptoms. Let's get into it. Timing chains are an essential component that plays a vital role in keeping your engine functioning smoothly. These small but crucial parts synchronize the rotation of the camshaft and crankshaft, making sure that your engine's valves open and close at the perfect time. This synchronization guarantees optimal engine performance, making your vehicle run smoothly and efficiently. When a timing chain is worn out or failing, it can cause various issues that can leave you stranded on the side of the road. One of the first signs of a failing timing chain is engine misfires and poor performance. If your timing chain is worn or damaged, it can throw off your engine's timing, causing it to run rough, lose power, and just feel like it's not quite right. You might also notice that your car is struggling to accelerate or maintain speed, which can be frustrating and even dangerous in some situations. Another telltale sign of a bad timing chain is a rattling noise coming from your engine. This sound is usually most noticeable when you first start your car or when you're driving at low speeds. It's a deep, unsettling noise that seems to be coming from the heart of your engine. If you hear this, it's time to get your car checked out ASAP. Now let's talk about something that might surprise you: metal shavings in your oil. As a timing chain wears down, it can actually leave tiny metal particles in your engine oil. If you're changing your oil and you notice these shavings, it's a big red flag that your timing chain is on its last legs. Of course, we can't forget about the dreaded check engine light. While this light can come on for a variety of reasons, a failing timing chain is definitely one of them. If your car's computer detects that your engine's timing is off, it'll trigger the check engine light to let you know that something's wrong. If in more severe cases, a broken timing chain can actually cause your engine to fail to start or even stall out while you're driving. This is because the timing chain is absolutely essential for keeping your engine running. If it snaps or falls off completely, your engine won't be able to function at all. Another symptom to watch out for is increased fuel consumption. If your timing chain is affecting your engine's timing, it can lead to inefficient combustion and reduced fuel economy. You might find yourself filling up at the gas station more often than usual, which is never a good sign. Lastly, a failing timing chain can also cause low oil pressure problems. If the timing chain is loose or worn out, it can affect the operation of your engine's oil pump, leading to reduced oil pressure. This can cause even more damage to your engine over time. So what should you do if you suspect that your timing chain is on the fritz? The first step is to get your car to a trusted mechanic as soon as possible. They can perform a thorough inspection and diagnose the problem accurately. In some cases, they might be able to replace just the timing chain itself. However, if the damage is more extensive, you might be looking at a more involved repair or even an engine rebuild, which definitely hurt the wallet. The best way to avoid these issues is to stay on top of your car's maintenance schedule. Regular oil changes and checkups can help catch problems early on before they turn into major headaches. And if you do notice any of the symptoms we've talked about today, don't ignore them. The sooner you address the problem, the less damage it'll cause in the long run. Hope this helps you stay ahead of the curve. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment if you've had to deal with timing chain troubles before. Thanks for watching and keep your engines happy.